Good morning. My name is Mr. Abdulatif Adedeji, and I'm super excited to be here today. I am your science teacher for grade 5, and today we're going to be talking about pollination. Say that after me. Pollination. Have you heard of pollination before? Have you ever wondered how how plants how flowers reproduce themselves? Have you ever wondered that? Have you ever wondered what a bees always look for in flowers, or what butterflies always do with flowers? So some of the things this insect or this bees and butterfly do with flowers, some of their importance to agriculture is what? Pollination. So let's quickly see what are the things we're going to be covering today. In this video, you're going to be learning what pollination is, the pollination process, the importance of pollination, types of pollination, fun facts about pollination, conservation, and what? Conclusion. So let's get started. I hope you're excited about this. Let's go. So pollination. So pollination is the transfer of pollen from the male reproductive organ, anther, to the female reproductive organ, stigma of a flower. So pollen is just like a seed of a flower, okay, that germinated, that the flower used to, like the reproductive part of the flower. Okay, so the transfer of this pollen from one flower to another is what we call what? Pollination. And the male reproductive organ of a flower is called the anther, and the female reproductive organ of the flower is called the stigma. So now, what are the agents of pollination? Pollination can occur through wind, insects, birds, or animals. And the impact of pollination is that they are essential for what? Fertilization and reproduction in plants. So let's move forward. So what are the process of pollination? The first one is transfer of pollen. So the pollination can occur through wind, where some plants like grasses rely on wind to carry pollen. So you just say like when there's storm or there's wind carries some of the seed or pollen of this grass or flowers from one place to another. So a flower that is normally in a place before, when wind carry the seed or pollen from one place, you can see it can start growing in another place because of what? Wind pollination. Another one is animal or insect pollination. This is where animals like bees, butterflies, and birds transport pollen on their bodies from one flower to another. Okay, so let's stop there. So what are the importance of pollination? Number one, ecosystem function. We have biodiversity. Pollination contributes to the diversity of plant species and also help maintain ecological balance. Human impact. Agriculture. In when we talk about agriculture, many fruit and vegetables rely on pollination for production. So in agriculture, most of the produce that you know and that we enjoy or love to that are very beneficial to the human body are actually being produced by what? They actually rely on pollination for their production. And food chain, it also have impact on other animals that depend on these plants for food. So as I said, some of the plants that we need actually rely on pollination for their production. So when there's no enough pollination, that means these plants will not grow, which means there's going to be deficiency of this plant in the environment. It's going to affect animals that feed on the plants. It's going to affect and we human beings are feed on the animals too. So that's some of the impacts of pollination. And then types of pollination. And this is where we're going to stop in this video. In the next video, we're going to continue. Thank you so much.